Welcome to Lux Diva Studio, where art meets science.
Oily, resistant, pigmented and tight skin type are people with tight skin and who ages well. This skin type is common among ethnic people. Analyzing your skin, dark ORPT readily develop dark spots triggered by any form of injury, including cuts and bruises. Allergic reactions are less frequent. Pigment in sun-exposed areas. Sun protection is a must. Dark ORPT shows these symptoms: dark spots in irritated areas, sunscreen appears shiny, ingrown hair with dark spots at growth area, dark circles under eyes, makeup may streak. Light skin ORPT will tend to develop dark spots but mainly freckles. If you have ORPT skin, you may see shininess due to sunscreen. You will see freckles on face and body. Sun protection is a must. The goal of your skincare routine is to address oiliness and brown spots. With oil control and lightening products, this skin can handle strong ingredients. Dark spots is your major issue, with oiliness a secondary concern.
Your AM routine. Wash with an oil control cleanser. Use a glycolic acid toner. Apply a sunscreen. Apply SPF oil absorbing powder. Your PM routine. Wash with an oil control cleanser. Use a scrub or exfoliator. Optional. Apply retinol or antioxidant serum.